was just to show you what I schemed like. But back to that gun so big, I had to use my whole team like, doo, 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 doo. We had to bring it on the truck because it was mini submarine like. And before we even shoot it, we all had to lean like. And then my other nigga came across the top with the beam light. And then the kickback, it went through my whole team like. Now, this the biggest gun I